What's up guys, it's Marissa here at Krietz Customs. You usually see me on your YouTube channel, your TikTok feed, or even your Instagram feed, and we do a lot of build overviews. We're gonna switch it up just a little bit and take an in-depth look at our 3M products that we offer here at Krietz. Tinting, vinyl wrap, as well as paint protection film. So make sure you stay tuned and check out this truck. Now this truck might look a little familiar to you guys. If you want to check a full build overview on this truck, you want to click this link right here so you can see in depth of the suspension, wheels, tires, and all of the paint that we did to the vehicle. The truck may look a little bit different just because we added some 3M products to it, which is what we're going to go in depth in this video. So 3M is a great company to work with. They have a great warranty, and it's one of the films that we offer here at Krietz for tint, vinyl wrap, as well as PPF, which is paint protection film. So on this F350, a customer had purchased it. So again, in my last video, I said you needed to check it out really quickly because it does sell quick. This customer purchased it and wanted to add his own little twist to it. So you guys can see we did a 3M gloss black vinyl wrap on the top portion of the cab itself. So you can see your A pillars, B pillars, and C pillars are all wrapped in that gloss black film. And then the whole roof itself is also in that gloss black. Here at Krietz, we call it a panda wrap. Not sure what other people call it, but that's what we use, or that's what we say. You have your window trim as well in that 3M vinyl wrap. So it gives you that chrome delete effect without having to paint your vehicle. So vinyl wrapping is a great way. If you don't want to paint it, we can also just do the vinyl wrap. Customer also added the vinyl wrap here to the top portion of the mirror cap just to break up that white a little bit. And then the tint on the vehicle is a 20% color stable film on the driver passenger window. That is the closest match to factory. Factory is about an 18%, so 20 is the closest match to that one. And then on the windshield itself, we did a 35% color stable film as well, just to help with the heat protectant or the heat rejection in the vehicle. On the tint and the 3M vinyl wrap on the vehicle, that has a lifetime warranty. It's also based on care of the vehicle, so washing it, making sure no debris hits it, stuff like that. So it is based off of your care of the vehicle. And then it is a non-transferable warranty. Now for PPF, the paint protection film, that is a lifetime warranty as well, and it is transferable from customer or from person to person if you do decide to sell your vehicle with the PPF on it and you have issues. Paint protection film, I don't have any on this truck, but we do have some on other trucks so we can kind of shoot some B-roll for you guys to see. Usually it's more visible on black vehicles, white's not as bad. It can do a partial hood fender mirror, which with the PPF film, a partial can go to about a foot from the bottom portion of the hood to the middle of the hood. And then you can do the partial fenders as well. It definitely helps with rock chips or anything like that to keep your paint safe without having to get it peppered looking or anything like that. We definitely recommend it on any of our custom trucks that do the custom color matching like we do on probably about 80% of the trucks that you see on our website or on our YouTube channel. So make sure you guys keep that in mind as well. That's pretty much it for this video. Usually I'm here talking for like 15 to 20 minutes, but this was a shorter video. There's not really much to talk about on the 3M products that we have, but like I said, the vinyl wrapping like we did on the top portion of the cab, the tint we did on the driver passenger and the windshield, and then the paint protection film that we do install here at Krietz Auto and Krietz Customs. If you have more questions, give us a call 301-694-4642. Hit us up on social media at Krietz Auto and Krietz Customs. Like I said, give us a call, talk to one of our reps. We'd be happy to help you.